Look at gold. Again, let's look at the past year in gold. In 2024, we started around $2,000 an ounce. We saw prices rise to about 2,800 in October. Then they fell to around 2,700 in December. Why did that happen? Well, persistent inflation fears, rise in geopolitical risks. Over the past, say, when there were Middle East flare-ups, we'd see the oil price rise because that's where geopolitical risk hit out for Middle East tensions. But this time it's gold. So when we see geopolitical risks rise, when we see fear of inflation, people hide out in gold. To a lesser extent, crypto, but really gold is where people are hiding out. So at the end of 2024, we saw prices stabilize near all-time highs. And as we go into Q1, the real question is, where will gold go? We've seen a little bit of movement in gold, but we do expect gold to remain elevated, possibly revisiting that $2,800 level by March. Again, this is a monthly average. And then we expect later in the year to see potentially further acceleration in gold price starting in Q3. There are some potential headwinds for that. We've seen an elevated US dollar over the last couple of months. There is not necessarily a negative correlation between the US dollar and gold, but that could be a headwind. We could see some geopolitical risk come off if some of these negotiations in the Middle East really take hold and we see peace in Russia, Ukraine, and other things. That could take some of the geopolitical risk premium off of gold. So really a lot of things to watch in that market. But in general, all things held equal, we do expect gold to continue to rise at least for the next few months.